guys. Hey. I've missed this space so much and it feels so good to be back. I'm not going to say back and better, but at least I'm back. Let's start from somewhere. I'm back. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be better. And yeah, I left the YouTube space for some time because some things were happening and I could not just balance YouTube and do those things at once. Yes, so but I'm back. I hope I'll do better this time around. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing one of the reasons why I left YouTube. I won't say I even left YouTube completely because I was still very active. I was active in a way that I was watching other people's videos. I wasn't like uploading videos on my channel, but I was watching other people's videos, commenting. I was learning things. I was unlearning. I was also relearning. So yeah, and I hope those things will help me now that I'm back on YouTube. Fingers crossed. The God of consistency, I'm calling on you right now to help me. Anyways, with that out of the way, hope you guys have been good. So today I'm going to decide I'm going to make my hair and I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm going to braid. So let me show you guys what I want to use to braid my hair. I'll probably do my nails. So guys, this is what I'll be using. Is this Darling products. It's already pre-stretched. Yeah, pre-stretched. They said they already use hot water. It just simply means that you just go to the salon, braid your hair, and you're out. You don't need to put it in hot water, and you don't need to, like, you know, when you go to the salon, you drag your attachment and all of that. You don't need to do that. And I got, this is the ombre one. Yeah, the down is this color, while the up is kind of black. So yeah, I hope it comes out well. I haven't actually bought attachment in a very long time to braid my hair. I just always go to the salon, sit down, braid my hair, pay and walk out. But I got this one for 1,600 and they said one pack will be enough. So, and yeah, I don't like my hair to be very full, but I like it to be really long. So yeah, let's just go, and I might get to do my nails and stuff. I hope it comes out well. I hope it comes out well. Fingers crossed it will. So yeah, let us pack and leave for the salon.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed. Say what you